Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about complex rational expressions. So I have here number 1, simplify the following complex rational expressions. 1 over x minus 1 over y all over by 1 over x squared plus 1 over y squared. Okay, first thing to do is I need to find the LCD of the numerator. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So LCD for the numerator, so it will be x and y, and then x and y divide by x, so we have y, and then times 1 is y, then minus xy, okay, xy, our LCD, divide by y, so this will be crossed out, so I have here x times 1, this will be x. Now how about my denominator? So I need to find the LCD also. LCD will be just multiply this one, x squared and then y squared. Okay, LCD divide by the first denominator, which is x squared. So x squared will be crossed out. Then I have here y squared. So this will be y squared plus this one, LCD x squared y squared divide by second denominator, which is y squared. Y squared will be crossed out. So I have here x squared and then multiply by the numerator, which is 1. X squared times 1 is x squared. So I have now my numerator y minus x over xy. So I need to write this one y minus x over xy. And then I need to change this division, the operation, to multiplication and then reciprocal of the denominator. So this will be x squared times y squared over x squared. So I can change this one because this is addition, so this is commutative. So I can write x squared plus y squared. This will be crossed out, y 1, and then also x will be 1. So I have here xy times y minus x all over by x squared plus y squared. And then simplify the numerator. So distribute, this will be x y squared, then minus, multiply this one, so this will be x squared y, and then copy the denominator, which is x squared plus y squared. So that's the answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, I have here x minus y all over by, over x plus y minus y over x is divided by x over y, then plus x minus y, x plus y. So for my numerator, take note, this is the numerator and then this is the denominator. So this will be, I need to find the LCD. By the way, this math is intended for grade 8. So LCD will be x plus y. Then this one divide by the first denominator. So this will be x plus y divided by x plus y. This will be crossed out. So I have x, and then multiply by the numerator, which is x minus y. Then minus LCD x plus y divided by the second denominator, which is x. So this will be crossed out. So I have here x plus y. So this will be y, the numerator is y, and then multiply x plus y in here. Then also the denominator, so I need to find the LCD. The LCD will be y times x plus y. Then this one, LCD, x plus y divided by the first denominator, which is y. So y will be crossed out. So x plus y. So I have here the numerator, which is x, round brackets, x plus y, then plus LCD, I have y, x plus y, divided by the second denominator, which is x plus y. This will be crossed out, so I have here y, then times the numerator, which is x minus y. Then I need to simplify this one. Distribute. This will be x squared. Then this will be minus xy. Then this one also minus xy. Then the last will be minus y squared. Then just copy the denominator for the numerator, which is x, round brackets, x plus y, is divided by this one, distribute also. So this will be x squared plus xy, this one, plus xy, and the last will be minus y squared. And then copy this one, y, x plus y. Okay, so this one is a complex rational expression, so I need to simplify this one. I need to change this operation to multiplication, then take the reciprocal of this fraction. So this will be x squared. I need to copy this one first. Xy, no, I have here minus xy minus xy. So this will be 1 and then 1. So this will be minus 2 xy. So this will be minus 2 xy, then minus y squared. This one, copy, x plus y. Then change this one to multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of the denominator. So I have y, round brackets, y plus x plus y, and then combine this one. So this will be x squared, xy. Take note, xy plus xy. So take note there is 1 in here and 1 before the variables. So this will be 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Just copy the two variables, which is xy. So this will be this one, 2xy, then minus y squared. So this one will be crossed out. And take note, this one cannot be factored, and also this one, because the middle term is 2, while this one is y squared. So I need to copy. So this will be y times, round brackets, x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. Then I have x, copy this one, x squared plus 2xy, then minus y squared. I need to distribute the monomial factor, both numerator and denominator. So this will be distribute. So x squared y, then to the second term, minus 2xy squared, and then the last term, which is minus y cubed, because y times y squared is y cubed. Then how about the denominator? So x times x squared, this will be x cubed. Then x cubed y, x cubed only, and then plus this one plus 2x squared y, and then the last, so this will be minus xy squared. Let us check. X squared y minus 2x y squared, and then the last will be minus y cubed. Then how about the denominator? So x times x squared is x cubed plus 2x squared y, and then the last will be minus xy squared. So this is the answer for number 2. Now let's proceed to number 3. I think this will be the last. In number 3, I have 1 over a minus 2 minus 3 over a minus 1 all over by 5 over a minus 2 plus 2 over a minus 1. So first thing to do is for the number 3, find the LCD. LCD will be a minus 2 and then a minus 1. Okay, so LCD will be a minus 2 and a minus 1 is divided by the first denominator, which is a minus 2. A minus 2 will be crossed out. So I have a minus 1. So I need to write first this one, 1, and then times a minus 1. A minus 1. And then the operation is subtraction. Then LCD a minus 2 and then a minus 1 is divided by the second denominator, which is a minus 1. A minus 1 will be crossed out, so I have a minus 2. Okay, then the numerator will be 3 times a minus 2. Same with the denominator, so I need to find the LCD. The LCD will be a minus 2 and a minus 1. So LCD a minus 2 a minus 1 divided by the first denominator, which is a minus 2. So this will be crossed out. So I have a minus 1. Since there is 5, so I need to write first 5 times a minus 1. Then plus the same a minus 2. This is my LCD. And a minus 1 is divided by the second denominator, which is a minus 1. So a minus 1 will be crossed out. So I have a minus 2. Since this will be the constant, so I need to write first 2 and then a minus 2. Okay, so I need to simplify both numerators and denominators. So this will be a, and then this will be minus 1. And then this one also, negative 3a. And then this will be positive 6 over a minus 2 and then a minus 1 all over by, this will be 5a and then this will be minus 5, then plus this will be 2a and then the last will be minus 4 over a minus 2 and then a minus 1. So need to combine. So this will be, take note, a minus 3a, that will be minus 2a. And then minus 1 and then plus 6. Since 6 is greater than 1 and then 6 having its positive sign, so this will be plus 5. And then just copy this one, a minus 2 and then a minus 1. Then how about the denominator? So combine also 5a plus 2a, that will be 7a. How about negative 5, negative 4? So take note, same sign. So just add this one, 5 plus 4 is 9. And then common sign, minus. Then copy this one, a minus 2 and a minus 1. Since this is complex fraction, so I need to change the operation to multiplication. So this will be minus 2a plus 5 over a minus 2 and then a minus 1. Then times the reciprocal of the denominator, which is a minus 2 and then a minus 1. A minus 1. Then over 7a minus 9. 7a minus 9. So a minus 2 will be crossed out. And then a minus 1 will be crossed out also. So the one that I do this one will be minus 2a plus 5 over 7a minus 9. So this is the answer for number 3. Take note, this maths is intended for grade 8. That's all.